Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you middle split, even if you are not a gymnaster or a dancer. I'll show you some of the stretching routine which I have created for your flexibility, which can help to increase leg extension and stuff like that. The main step for split, which is incredible important, that is practice. If we do practice, we can achieve the split in very short period of time. So stretching is something which we can't achieve overnight. We have to practice, practice and practice. So without wasting any more time, we should jump into the exercise. So don't do the exercises without the proper warm-up routine. I have divided my video into two parts. One is the warm-up routine and the next one is the stretching exercise. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you find it useful, then share it to your friends. Make sure you comment below in the comment section how's your split going. So let's go into the exercise.
Now let's start with the stretching exercise. Firstly, wear the socks so it would be easy to stretch more. Now we'll practice the butterfly. Grab your feet toward pelvis and push your thigh towards floor. Gradually bring your hand to the floor. Stretch toward right side and then left side. Now grab your ankles. We will bend and we will stretch towards left by pressing your arms, and then to right side. Keep pressing. Feel the stretch. Now gradually sit in side lunges position. Bring your arms to the mat and sit in comfortably position. Now bring your hand to the floor. Then stretch your right hand to the left foot and then switching to other side. Then hold your feet with both the hands and try to touch your chin below knees. Now switch to other side, repeating the same position. Sit comfortably and arms to the floor. Stretch your right hand to left and then switching to other side. Now hold your foot below knees. Now go to the left lunges position. Bring your elbows if you can. It can make you discomfort, but anyway everything can't happen as per your comfort. Now straight in your back leg. Bring your feet towards the hip. Try to touch with your hip. And then gradually change your side. Now go into the right lunges. Bring your elbow down. Back leg straight. And then bending towards your hip. Now fold your mat so your knees won't get hurted. Then we will stretch to fully stretch puppy pose. Touch your chin to the floor and keep holding this pose. You can even hold this pose to 1 to 2 minutes. So now wall will be your best friend for your leg stretch. Lay down, legs up, stretch your leg as much as you can and come back. Then again stretch and come back. Again go and back. Then changing to the position, stretch your legs, hand on the floor, and then slowly open more leg and keep holding the pose. Come on your elbow if you can, and then gently sitting back keeping your legs stretched. So now this is the final stage of our stretching routine. Open your leg as much as you can and come back. Now again stretch, then come back. So now let's wind up the session by relaxing our calf muscle and thigh for exhausting so much pressure. Repeating from other side. Now rub your thigh, hamstring so far so it could relieve your stress and pain in your muscles. Same as from other side. Rub as much as fast as you can. Thank you guys for watching the video.